Alright, I'm here today to talk about the Avengers glider from Estes. Did a little conversion, make it RC. Pretty crude, but to get good flight characteristics, keep it simple. It's got elevon throw for flying characteristics, plenty of travel with exponential so I can tweak it as needed. It's a pretty small plane. There's a ball bearing in that hole. I removed that. Added a bolt in the back to balance it out. Free flight models, it's essential that you mark where the balance point is before you start hacking into it, especially on this one where the wing isn't easily defined as to where you could figure it out. How I hooked up the hinges, fairly simple. Since it's split in the middle, I burnt a hole down the center channel with a soldering iron and connected a couple of metal pivots. There was a little misalignment, so I added a piece of tape here. And on the inside, where it actually connects up, is just a piece of tape wrapped around the horn, and then I stuck a pin through the horn into the foam and wrapped another piece of tape around it. Pretty simple plane, easily comes apart. The wings just pull out. As you can see, tail feathers just pull out. So for traveling, it should be pretty easy. Hollowed out the cockpit, that's where my receiver is, with a battery, 2-cell light pole with a 5-volt regulator in it. The connecting pin to turn it on and off is just a modified connector. It's jumper to turn it on, and I can also plug in my charger, and it will charge up the LiPo by just using the opposite 2 pins. 2 are for arming, and the 2 are for setting it up. So, I hope to get a flight video of this soon, and see how it flies. If it flies respectfully, I think the plane's only $12. It's worthwhile to make it a little more to scale. Seal up the cockpit a little bit better. Hide the yellow tape. The yellow tape's going to aid in knowing which is up and which is down. It's just a glider. Can easily add a pusher prop on the back. But keep it simple, see how it flies. Thanks.